Go. Hey guys! Kita ba? Kita ba ako? Hey guys, I am Master Biggie. And I am Valerie from Two Glamorous Friends. And I have a new bike. And we're making Oreo balls. Yes, Oreo balls. Using Presto.
Yes,
We don't
Presto.
have any Oreo.
Just called it Oreo because that is awesome.
We don't have any Oreo. Too poor.
So use some pancake syrup for this and we make it real.
ng isa.
Okay po. Okay po. So,
We are in the Philippines.
yeah. You just gotta scoop up and then make it as Oreo ball. Yuck. Yummy. Very sticky. You can also look it like this. Like a pop. Oh, yuck.
Yeah. It's okay. You don't make them balls.
We call it balls, but not actually like
Balls.
balls. Okay?
It's hard.
Hard
Using one
balls.
plastic.
Using plastic to make it balls because it's real sticky. And not
Yeah.
even using some cream cheese like real Oreos and cream cheese, not like that. Like from Seven Supergirls, we're not
Yeah.
even doing that ever.
Or
Because we don't have any food
We need
processor.
this Oreo, but we need Presto. This thing, it's like a screw, right?
Oh,
the thing,
yeah,
the thing.
back.
It's the one you like crush it, crush the Oreo.
In Filipino language, we call that pandek-dek.
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 Yeah.
Pandek-dek.
And guys, spam the comments. Where do you live?
To have a
And
shout out,
we need pancake syrup. I recommend American made. Yeah.
pancake syrup.
It
looks
it's
like
all
this.
the one I have.
It's real sticky.
Super. See this? I mean, so yummy.
That's so yummy, ba't hindi mo matapusin yun?
Namin ko na lang. And we are
kutsara. Put this in the
we
fridge
will
half
I
an
mean,
hour to make it
we will or we
cold
will
a
not.
little bit. This is my brother. My
Red
gay
eye.
brother.
Little gay brother. That's
Sila yung chicks ako. Sabi pa ko. Ano lang.
okay.
Ikiyati ko rin.
Yeah, okay. Last
Now
then
made. And look at it. Ate, pwede happy cone?
then you
Wow, ang dami po nakabukas.
Marami na nakabukas. Ito na lang muna nakabukas ang ano hili nyo, ha? Huwag mo na magbukas ng bukas.
Sorry for this.
Alin dito? Yung
Pahingin
pita?
ng konti.
No.
Mamaya.
Oh. Huwag kang magbubukas. Merong nakabukas na
Pero
bukas
sabi
dito.
mo papanoorin mo ko. I hope that you will enjoy.
if you make this, please let it froze for
30 minutes to 1 hour.
because
30
it's
to
so
1 hour.
sticky. Maybe
Yeah.
10.
No. We need to make this it's really cold and a little bit of hard because it's really yummy when it's
Then
done. And then just
for
really
the
need to
finishing
drizzle
move.
in some of the pancake syrup. Sabi ko drizzle eh. Yung iba hindi nalagyan.
dinagyan, okay lang.
Kung kakainin hindi nalagyan. Yum, yum, yum!
Thanks guys.
See you guys next week.
Maybe if we are in the mood to have a video, please like, comment, share, and yeah. And tell
Comment
your guys
down below on where you leave the chance to get a shout out next week's video, next year or next month's video.
Then say Minecraft sucks. Minecraft sucks. I used to play it, but now I deleted it because it has a virus. What?
It's not even virus in that thing.
Okay. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.